Hello and welcome. My name's Aaron Tyler, and you're on this page because you entered into one of my capture pages. Now, what I want to talk to you today is about a system that's changed the lives of many, and it's going to change the lives of many, many more in the future. Now, let me just give you a little bit of background about myself before I get into this system. I came into the world of internet marketing about 3 years ago. Now, in this world of internet marketing, I began to discover that I needed several different components to run my business successfully on the internet. Now, the problem with this was that I needed to get each component from a different place, and that began to get very expensive for me, as I had to go to different places and spend different money to get each one of these components. Now, one day I discovered this system that I'm about to show you, and this system that I'm about to show you is the system that took me from making nothing into my business all the way to making as much money as I possibly could and beyond. So let me get into this, but before I do, I'm going to also tell you that this system has a community along with it that drives you to be successful, so there's no way you can fail when you do this. Now, let me just get into the system real quick. This system is called LSN, and that's Lead System Network. So I'll show you how I do this. I simply go into my account, I log on. Okay, when I log on, I want to go to my home page. Now, in any business that you do, you need leads, and the best way to capture these leads is with a capture page. So let me show you very quickly how you can make a capture page with this system in a matter of about less than 2 minutes. Okay, so you simply go and grab a fancy background that you like. I'll choose this one. You come back up here and you proceed. Okay, once you do that, you choose one of these topics. I'll choose this one. I'll save my selection and I'll move on. Then I like how everything looks at the same size that it's at right now, so I'll go ahead and keep that and proceed again. Okay, I'll come on down here and I'll use the first name and the email field, but I have various other fields that I can use. I have first name, last name, phone number, address, city, state, zip, and the best time to call. But for now, I'll just use these two. Proceed. Okay, I'll come on down here and I'll pick one of these buttons. I'll pick this one, but they have many, as you can see, and then I'll proceed. Okay, after I do that, I'll come on down and I'll choose a tagline. Just for demonstrational purposes, I'll use this one. Okay, I'll save and view my page, and ladies and gentlemen, we have a beautiful capture page within the matter of 30 seconds that we can now begin promoting our business, or this business, which this is a business in itself, and I'll show you and personally train you how you can go from 0 to thousands a day. Okay, so the next thing that we have that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to just show you some of these components briefly, because all these components together in one place is a $500 value, but you can get all these components at one very low price, starting with free, and you can get your feet wet for free, no credit card, no nothing. Okay, so I'm going to let you get in here and get your feet wet and train you for free. Okay, so we're going back to our marketing hub. Now let me just show you the rest of what this system can do. There's a sales page creator where you can create a sales page to keep in contact with customers and to allow them to see what you have going on, or sales, or various things that you have going. Okay, there's a lightbox page creator, which is another type of capture page. There's sales funnels already set up for you, which simply means that you can go in here and just use one of these ready to go sales funnels and simply drive traffic the way that we show you to drive it. I'm going to also personally train you on that as well, how to drive traffic to the site or sales funnel of your choice. Okay, also back on your marketing hub, you have what's called an email autoresponder. Now this is where you can send out email messages to your prospects. Okay, you can send out, if you have a business, you can send out your newsletter, or a newsletter with coupons in it for them to redeem when they get to your various place of business. Okay, also we have a live webinar platform where you can take your business to the next level by using the webinar. Okay, and this is what allows you to share your screen with people. They can see you on their screen. You can explain, show them a video or whatever you have going on. Okay, we have a Google Hangout where at the push of a button you can just go from here to there with Google Hangouts without doing all the technical knowledge that you need to know, or without giving out any technical code to your team. You can also do text message broadcast. Now, you know as well as I know that text messages reach your audience quicker and more efficiently than email. More people check their text messages than email messages, so you can communicate with them via text message as well. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, there's more that this system can do. It also has a blog where this is the heartbeat of your business or this business. You can use this blog. This is what you use to write your sales letters and various things that you need to get out to your prospects or your customers. Okay, so it has a blog. But ladies and gentlemen, if this seems technical, don't worry. We're going to break all this down to you in the free training that I'm getting ready to direct you on how to go about getting the free training so you can start making money as soon as today. So, what you need to do right now, listen very carefully, is you need to, somewhere on this page, either below on the side or above, there's a link that you can click on. It's going to take you to the next page where there are going to be some people explaining more about the system. Now, what you need to do is go to the bottom of that page and you click create a free account. Once you create your free account, what I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to enter you into our free Facebook group where you'll see various tricks and tips on how we do what we do and several trainings on how we do what we do, along with the training that I'm going to give you. Okay, a lot of this training is on Facebook. We have what's called a 90-day boot camp challenge, which I'll give to you. And once you get your feet wet and you figure out that this thing is for you and you learn enough to learn and you upgrade to being a paid member, we're going to enter you in our paid Facebook members group where all the meat and potatoes are at. Okay, this is where you go and we give you a 90-day boot camp of what to do from day 1, step 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so on, day 2, all the way up until 90 days. Now, once you complete this boot camp, there's no way that you're not going to be successful. So once again, this is Aaron Tyler. Make sure you click on this link and connect with me. I don't hide behind websites, okay? I will work with you directly. So what you need to do is create that free account, and I'll get with you, and I'll see you on the inside.